Have you ever wanted flagship level camera zoom without emptying your wallet? Well, nothing is shaking things up again. The brand new Nothing Phone 4a and Nothing Phone 4a Pro are officially here, and they are bringing features you usually only see on the most expensive phones out there. Let's talk about the biggest upgrade first, the cameras. If you love taking photos, you are going to be thrilled. Both models now feature a periscope zoom camera, which is a massive deal for this price point. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro packs a premium Sony LYT700C main camera alongside a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. It gives you 3.5x optical zoom and lets you zoom all the way in up to 140x, the longest zoom ever on a Nothing phone. The standard Nothing Phone 4a doesn't hold back either, giving you a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, that same amazing 50-megapixel 3.5x periscope lens, a Sony ultra-wide sensor, and a sharp 32-megapixel front camera for selfies. Both phones are powered by the TrueLens Engine 4, which means better contrast, natural shadows and smart AI tools like Photo Eraser to easily remove photobombers from your perfect shots. Of course, it wouldn't be a Nothing phone without that unique transparent design, and they've made it even better. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro now rocks a sleek metal unibody that is just 7.95mm thick, complete with IP65 dust and water resistance. The standard Nothing Phone 4a keeps the transparent style too, with stronger materials, IP64 protection, and some fun new color choices like blue and pink alongside the classic neutrals. And yes, the famous lights on the back, the Glyph Interface, got a major upgrade. The Nothing Phone 4a introduces a new Glyph bar with 63 mini LEDs that can get incredibly bright, up to 3500 nits. It is perfect for notifications, timers, or even acting as a fill light when you are shooting a video. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro takes it a step further, with a massive Glyph matrix made of 137 mini LEDs that covers more space on the back, letting you display cool widgets like battery life, a digital clock, or a fun feature called Glyph Mirror. Under the hood, these phones are incredibly fast. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro is powered by the new Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip, giving you lightning-fast performance for gaming and multitasking, paired with super-fast memory and storage. The regular Nothing Phone 4a runs on the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4, giving you a nice performance bump and excellent battery efficiency. Speaking of the screen, everything is going to look stunning. The Pro model treats you to a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. The standard model is right behind it with a gorgeous 6.78-inch AMOLED display running at 120Hz. Both screens are super bright and protected by tough Gorilla Glass 7i. On the software side, both phones are running Nothing OS 4.1, based on the brand new Android 16. It looks incredibly clean, with redesigned icons, floating apps, and a great new AI dashboard. Plus, Nothing is promising 3 years of Android updates and a huge 6 years of security patches. You won't have to worry about battery life either. Both pack a massive 5080 mAh battery with 50-watt fast charging, which gets you to a 60% charge in just 30 minutes. Now for the best part, the price. The Nothing Phone 4a starts at a very friendly £349, 349 euros, or 31,999 rupees. If you want the extra power, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro starts at $499, 499 pounds, 479 euros, or 39,999 rupees. You can pre-order the standard model starting March 5th with open sales on March 13th, while the Pro goes up for pre-order on March 13th and hits shelves on March 27th in most markets. If you found this breakdown helpful, please make sure to like the video, share it with a friend who loves tech, and subscribe to the channel for more easy to understand gadget updates.